Welcome back. What we're going to do is what we did in the previous video series, and that's blend. But this time around, we'll be blending a sphere. Instead of 2 colors, we'll be blending 5. We're doing a sphere because a face is a series of curves. Therefore, it's important for us to know how to blend rounded shapes. When you've completed this lesson, you'll be able to apply what you learned to painting portraits. Here are the supplies you're going to need. First is the canvas. Draw a circle with a compass, a bowl, a CD, or whatever's round. You could freehand it if you like. Here are the colors and the formulas we'll be using. You can pause right now because we're going by quickly, or you can look in your workbook to find them. We'll also use a number 4 round brush. Ready? Let's go. We're using color number 1 and the number 4 round brush. We're painting a sphere, and we're going to lay out most of the color in a crescent shape. The purpose of this exercise is to know how to blend in layers and using the round brush to blend curved shapes. In this first layer, our goal is to fill the canvas with paint. We go from general to specific. What that means is, in the beginning, we lay out large areas of color. Later, we'll work on smaller details. So large areas first, smaller details come later. I add some water to the paint because it's a little bit too thick. In this first layer, the paint is going to be fairly thin. We add some water to color number 2 and we mix it. Not all of the color, just a small portion of it. We're going to need the rest of it to be thick later. The first 2 colors should take up about half the space of the sphere. As you can see, we're not concerned with blending at this point. We're just getting color on the canvas. We switch to color number 3 and we add some water to it. We lay out the color in a similar shape to the first 2 colors. If it's not perfectly round right now, it's not a big deal. We don't have to get everything right all at once. The painting comes together in the end. You'll see. We switch to color number 4 and we add a little water to it before we start painting. When the color is this thin, it doesn't cover so great because the water we're adding thins it and makes it translucent. But it moves easier around the canvas, which we need because the canvas is absorbent in this first layer. Last but not least, we switch to color number 5, which is titanium white. We're going to paint in the oval shape. Even though it's already white, I don't like to leave any of the canvas unpainted. Okay, we've come to the end of the first layer. Allow it to dry before moving on to the next one.